Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and today I'm showing a video of me attempting to do magazine print everybody was doing in March. I thought I would give it a try with just a couple of magazines I had. This one is my first attempt, and it turns out the best. It's all downhill from here. Anyways, it's just a short, quick video showing my attempt at this. I can't remember which magazine this is out of. I have a lot of HGTV, so it could be that. But I just found one, this girl coming out of the water, a little statue in the background, and just trying to clean off a little bit of the edges there and letting it dry. I didn't let it dry quite enough. You'll see when I start to brayer that the blue comes up a little bit. So if I'd have waited a little bit longer, might have been a stronger print. And I hadn't seen, Shannon Green hadn't posted her attempts, which were a lot more instructive. If I'd have seen those, I would have tried a little harder, maybe. Anyways, I was just playing one to see if I could do it. And so this is the first one. And look at that bubble. It made a little heart shape on there in the corner. Kind of fun. So I'm not sure with this second one that I did. The battery probably died on my camera. That tends to happen a lot. Anyway, here's the second attempt that I made. And it's okay, but it's really faint. And I tried it in orange. And then the last one is my favorite. Well, I hope you liked that. I will put a link to Shannon's video if I can find it below so you can go there and figure out how to really do it. Anyways, thanks for watching.